Scots wha hae wi Wallace bled, Scots wha Bruce has often led, welcome to your gory bed, or to victory. Now's the day and now's the hour, see the front o' battle o'er, see approach proud Edward's power, chains and slavery. Wha will be a traitor knave? Wha will fill a coward's grave? Wha sae base as be a slave? Let him turn and flee. Wha for Scotland's king and law, freedom's sword will strongly draw. Freeman stand or freeman fall, let him follow me. By oppression's woes and pains, by your sons in servile chains, we would drain our dearest veins, but they shall be free. Lay the proud usurper low, tyrants fall at every blow. Freeman stand or freeman fall, let him do or die. Robert Burns wrote those words in 1787 after visiting the site of the Battle of Bannockburn. He imagined what King Robert Bruce's words to his troops would have been on the eve of that battle, the 23rd into the 24th of June 1314. No doubt in Burns's mind, you can tell by the rhythm of the words, was the tune Hey Tutty Tatty. It was reportedly played at the Battle of Bannockburn by the pipers. An unpromising title, the tutty and the tatty, are often thought to be the sound of the drums. I often think of my friend Irene, who told me that she'd managed to teach the birds on her family's farm, how to sing this song. She apparently walked the same track every day whistling it, and she swore that by the end of the week the birds were finishing the tune for her by the time she reached the end of the road. That's possibly what the men who were fighting in the great Battle of Bannockburn were thinking of their own homes and their own farmsteads.